Hi guys, good morning or good afternoon, where you are in the world today. So today let's talk again about the first video I made. Remember 11 days ago when I first talked about ABAT? Well, I told you something big was brewing, and look what just happened. Boom! The breakout we anticipated is here. This wasn't luck, guys. It was setup, structure, and timing. So let's dive into the chart. Now, I've been watching this chart closely since that first video, and as you can see, volume is spiking, the range is tightening, and the break above the 200 moving average, it was all there. The market finally woke up, and if you were early, you're now sitting on some serious gains. Apologies, but listen carefully, guys. ABAT is a speculative play. This is not only about fundamentals. This is not your steady blue chip ride. Momentum like this can give you incredible upside, but it also comes with brutal pullbacks. So if you're just discovering the stock now, don't FOMO in blindly, guys. Wait for a pullback, let the chart reset, and let the weak hands shake out. Now, zooming out. When we zoom out, you guys, if ABAT can hold these levels and can confirm support above the breakout zone, we could be looking at a potential move to the next major resistance. Where that exactly lies, well, you have certain levels, but what resistance am I looking at? Well, you guys, I always dream big, so the major resistance, the first one will lie around here, $23 plus minus, the 20-ish zone, and then we go up to all-time high. That's my anticipation. When this squeeze will go in full development, of course we will need the narrative to play out. We will need the American government hopefully to step in, just like they did in some other smaller mining companies. But let's wait and see. Let's follow the narrative. So if you zoom out, ABAT can hold these levels, we should be good. So there is still a lot of room if the squeeze dynamics keep fueling this. So, did I saw this coming? Well, in life you always need some luck, but luck can also be made, and if your setup is right, things can happen. So, again, you guys, if you're sitting in ABAT, I'd say you might take some profits, but if you're comfortable, just let them run. Let's see how high this can go. This is probably only the first rocket going up. Then probably some bull flag will play out, and the next breakout might take the stock much higher. If you're not in yet, let's just wait when that pullback comes. Always our moving averages need to keep up. Just as you can see here, what happened, we shot through the moon, but then a sharp pullback from around 25-ish to around $11-ish occurred. That's more than 50% down. If something like that happens again and the 50 moving average or the 50 daily moving average isn't broken, you can hop in. So that will require some patience, guys. As you also can see, the RSI is heavily overbought. That also needs to reset, just like it did here. It went down to 11-ish and it reset around 56, 57. So that probably will happen again. So let's follow the narrative, guys. Let's look at the volume, look at where the pullback takes us, and then the latecomers can step in also, because just like it happened in the past, it shot up from 11-ish to 7-ish, $70-ish. So that's a times 7 still. So, guys, let's continue the party. I may come back with a new video in the near future, whatever direction ABAT is going. But for now, let's just enjoy the gains, guys. So that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed my talk about ABAT, and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.